What's going on, everyone? Rick Gonzalez here, and welcome to episode 9 of Apex on the Go. Today we're going to talk about your Apex Gateway webpage. What is Apex Gateway webpage? That is your free webpage that comes with your subscription to Apex Driver. How do you access it? Well, once you're subscribed, what you're going to do is go into your app, and on the left side you'll have the little hamburger drop-down menu there, and it shows all your tabs. Tap on Profile, and then in the top right of your profile, right next to or underneath where it says Manage Account, you're going to have a link there, and it says Apex Gateway Link. Tap that, and what that's going to be is kind of a duplicate of your profile that you set up in Apex Driver. So, choose some good photos in there. Remember, it's kind of like an electronic business card of you, and what you put in your bio is going to be on that website. And what do you do with that website? Market yourself. You could share it on social media. You could share it in a text, in an email, however you like. And it's just another way to market yourself. What else can I tell you about it? If you go on there and it says not found, or it says this is for subscribers only and you are a subscriber, just email us at either support at apexmobileapp.com or marketing at apexmobileapp.com, and then we'll get to the bottom of that. That's why it's also important to have your your invite code customized. If you created, I should have said that last episode too, but if you created your account and registered and didn't customize your code, and now you just got where it says Apex and a big string of numbers on there, and you'd like to get that customized, let us know either at support or marketing that you want it customized. Let us know what you want, and we'll go ahead and if it's available, we'll change it for you, and we'll let you know. All right, that is it, everyone. Thanks for joining us today, and I'll talk to you real soon for episode 10.